Did you know that according to statistics, 1 out of 3 people want to lose weight fast? But why are so many people still struggling with their weight? Even though there are so many different diets, exercise programs, and weight loss pills available today, a single lime contains only 22 calories and is loaded with vitamin C, which is known to suppress your appetite. It's also an excellent source of magnesium, potassium, and dietary nitrates, which can enhance athletic performance and lower blood pressure. Flax seeds are packed with fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. They're also a good source of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and promote weight loss. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that have estrogenic effects and may help reduce the risk of certain cancers and alleviate menopausal symptoms. They're a great source of hydration, providing 96% of their weight in water, which can help you feel full and reduce your overall calorie intake. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, which supports muscle function and electrolyte balance. But before you toss together your next salad, we have one more secret ingredient to reveal. Comment below which of these recipes you're most excited to try first. And don't forget to stay up to date with our latest health and wellness tips by subscribing. If you're looking for more ways to incorporate healthy eating into your weight loss journey, be sure to check out our video on meal prepping for weight loss. With just 3 minutes of prep time, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals all week long. Click the link in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching and happy dieting. The key to making any salad truly delicious and satisfying is adding a protein source such as grilled chicken, tofu, or beans. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need for a variety of functions, including building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Including a protein source in your salad can help you feel fuller for longer, which can help reduce your overall calorie intake and support weight loss. Protein can also help preserve muscle mass, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your overall health, or simply enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal, adding a protein source to your salad is a simple yet effective way to achieve your goals. So don't settle for a boring salad. Take it to the next level with a protein-packed meal that will nourish your body and support your weight loss journey. They contain antioxidants like tannins and flavonoids, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Plus, cucumbers are low in calories, providing only 16 calories per cup, making them an ideal ingredient for weight loss diets. Their crunchy texture and mild flavor make them a satisfying addition to salads and other dishes. So next time you're looking to shed a few pounds, consider adding cucumbers to your diet and enjoy their hydrating and nutritious benefits. To incorporate flax seeds into your diet, simply sprinkle them over your salad or mix them into dressings or smoothies. They're a great source of antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are particularly beneficial for those on a weight loss diet, as they can help protect against the damaging effects of free radicals produced during exercise and a weight loss diet. Blueberries are also a good source of fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. They're low in calories, providing only 80 calories per cup, and they're a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. Plus, blueberries are a low glycemic index food, meaning they won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, which can help prevent fat gain. Adding blueberries to your salad not only adds a burst of flavor and nutrition, but also a beautiful pop of color. So next time you're looking to shed a few pounds, consider adding blueberries to your diet and enjoy their delicious taste and health benefits. You can also grind them into a meal and use them as an egg substitute in recipes. With so many health benefits and delicious ways to enjoy them, it's no wonder flax seeds are a must-have addition to any weight loss diet. Spinach is a low-calorie food, providing only 7 calories per cup, while offering a good amount of dietary fiber. They're a great source of vitamin C, which has been shown to increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction after a meal. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which is important for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of cellulite. Bell peppers are also rich in vitamin A and B6, which support brain health and energy levels. Additionally, they contain antioxidants like capsaicin, which may help burn fat and reduce inflammation, whether you prefer them raw or cooked. Bell peppers are a versatile ingredient that can add flavor and nutrition to any salad. This makes it ideal for weight loss diets, as it helps keep you feeling full for longer without adding unnecessary calories. They're a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Lycopene is particularly beneficial for women, as it may help reduce the risk of certain cancers and improve bone health. Tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. Plus, they're low in calories, providing only 22 calories per cup. When added to a salad, tomatoes can provide a burst of flavor and nutrition without adding excess calories. So don't be afraid to load up on tomatoes and enjoy their delicious taste and health benefits. Moreover, spinach contains thylakoid proteins that have been shown to reduce fat accumulation in the liver, ultimately leading to reduced body fat. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet is an easy way to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you need while reducing your calorie intake. So why not start adding spinach to your salads and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers? It's simple. Just squeeze some lime juice onto your salad, and you'll be one step closer to reaching your weight loss goals. What's more, limes are a good source of flavonoid, compounds that have been shown to reduce body fat percentage and improve body weight and waist circumference. So next time you're making a salad, don't forget to add a little lime. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. The truth is that most people do not have the right mindset. When it comes to losing weight, they look for quick fixes and shortcuts instead of making gradual changes to their lifestyle. One thing that research has shown to be effective in helping people achieve their weight loss goals is eating plenty of salads. Salads are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals in salads can help boost your metabolism and burn fat. However, not all salads are created equal. In this video, we will teach you how to make 7 healthy salads that will help you lose weight fast. We'll show you how to combine different vegetables, fruits, nuts, and dressings to create delicious and nutritious meals that are perfect for weight loss. Let's get started. Number 1. Lime slimes are not just a great addition to your favorite margarita. They're also a fantastic tool for shedding pounds. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, containing significant amounts of vitamins C, K, folate, and iron. No. 3. Flax seeds. Number 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only colorful and crunchy, but they're also packed with essential nutrients that can aid in weight loss. No. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only visually appealing with their vibrant red color, but they're also packed with nutrients that can benefit weight loss. Number 6. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing addition to any salad, and they come with a host of health benefits that can support weight loss. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any salad, and they come packed with a number of health benefits that can support weight loss. After learning about all these amazing ingredients, you're probably eager to start incorporating them into your own healthy salads. We've shared 7 salad recipes with you, and it has time to put your knowledge to the test.